Hi guys, so Cuba vacay is over and now I'm gonna be spending a few days here in Florida with this guy. Say hi.
Hi.
I don't remember you being this tall. And I don't mean like you're tall, you know, I mean like I can't fit
So
both of
basically
us
just
in the
insult me.
frame. You're not tall. It's not an insult, that's a fact.
I am tall. I am 6'3".
You're taller than me. You're
Isn't
what?
that-
Bye. 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 So we're at what's the name again?
Extreme Action Park.
Extreme Action Park, and we're gonna go karting, and we might go on the road thing. I'd show you, but you can't see it because there's too much light. Wrong way. Oops, sorry. Yeah. So we're gonna go karting, and this may go bad.
Because you can't drive.
Karma can't drive, as Vijay say. Woo! So we just in the line to sign up. That is name, sign up. Register. Next in line. No, you? No? Okay. So get registered and come back. What I wanted to show you guys was put on a helmet for this go-kart thing. My ear can't hold a helmet. Them give me this to put on my head. That can't hold on my ear. It cannot hold on my ear. It's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? So, I don't know if you can hear me because my mouth is muffled under this. But we are strapped up and we're gonna be going to... Yeah. So we just finished go-kart racing, and it's safe to say that I will never be a race car driver because that was low-key scary. At first I was like, ah. Then I got the hang of it, but I came 9th out of 10 people. But the point is I didn't come last.
I'm disappointed. I came 4th. All the guys were really fast. I'm really disappointed. I wanted to come at least top 10.
Aww.
The last time I came, I did 3 races and I got first, second, and third. I'm disappointed.
You didn't run against anybody that knew how to do it. Those guys were seasoned. Who told me I could do this? Who told me? Look at Vijay. That one was so scary. Who tell me say I could do this? Look at that. Why am I up here? Why am I take a good life and come up here? No, sir. So there's like 2 ladders, yeah? And then to get to the next ladder is the most heart-wrenching thing I've ever done in my life. I'm scared. I'm gonna go back over there, so, and come down the stairs because my anxiety high. I can't do no more. No, right now. Give me some time. Give me some time. You see Vijay? Where him there? You see him? Stuck. You can do it. It's not that hard. When somebody tell us God good, you have to believe them, yeah? Because God alone carry me through that. Watch it. Watch it. That me just step cross and come cross pan. What make come down? I thought I was brave. I'm not. I'm not at all. Me have most contraction on my foot bottom. It's hard for me because my legs are short. I couldn't reach the other stump. Like you can just stretch and reach. My leg is like. Mama tell you no, I got alone carry me through that a while ago, yeah? Because me come down, me come back, you know, me come back because me not gonna make money burn up. But me come down. Me no business in a VJ. Me gonna take my time because that did hard. As a matter of fact, me go up on the easy part. Me didn't want to go up on that one day, but that girl left psych me out. Look how long she took to do it. She take to do that, the time it take to do this and that and this. And our parents them just don't there laugh off her. The devil real too, yeah? God real, devil real. Hi Vijay. We are not it's all we can't hold right here, so I don't know if you realize.
You know what good man?
May I come down?
Why feel so shaky?
It does.
I'm joking.
It does. My hand all tremble. I feel like the phone switch up out of my hand. I'm a coward. This solidifies it. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so after last night when we had the drinks, I came home and I went straight to bed. So I didn't get to vlog or anything. But today I woke up and I took a lift to Pembroke Lake Malls. I couldn't remember what name. And I've just been shopping all day. Barely got anything. But, you know, I've been here all day since maybe about 1 o'clock. And it's after 6 now, like 6:30. So in my mind, that's all day. And I wasn't like vlogging because I didn't want to be walking around talking to my camera, and I thought, who cares? I don't know nobody here. I don't care. And I wasn't really doing anything anyways, but I got like a bunch of good deals. I was like sneaker hunting because that's my new thing. I'm obsessed with sneakers, but I'm poor and sneakers are expensive. So yeah, so Vijay gonna meet me at Target because I've been here so late. I'm just going to leave work and come. So let's see if I can find a place. That's Jason Penny. Where's the exit? So we reach home from shopping. Vijay come pick me up and ting. I reach
home from work.
Ting and ting and ting. Oh, that relevant.
Just so they know my struggles.
Anyways, we're gonna be recording the super spicy ramen challenge now. I feel like I should be worried, but I'm not. Because I like pepper, so I don't mind. Watch. Vijay just shave, wash him ear,
3 minutes.
change him shirt.
All in 3 minutes.
For the video, yeah? Wanna see him?
I cut myself.
I'm just not say him all cut himself in the
don't bring the camera so
excitement.
close.
This lighting, no, this foundation don't match. I'm so tan, my foundation don't match, guys. Like, cut me some slack when you see this, I'ma look like ghost.
Your pot over there, make it work.
You see my life stay. Yeah, so we make the noodle and we're gonna record it and such. So I'm excited. I'm excited. How you feel?
Whole you look red though.
Me look red? You look red? Because Pepper burn out your cloth. Pepper burn out Vijay cloth. We just finished super spicy ramen challenge. As you can tell.
Pepper burning me still, but it's not so bad.
As you can tell. My lip orange, you see that? But it never bad. The people on YouTube are fraud, yeah. Because it never bad. Yeah, I just thirsty more like water for drink.
Can drink the water now, don't?
Yeah, cause we done. No, you never done chew. No, you have to make your mouth burn off. That did easy. Super spicy ramen noodle met its match. Good morning. Me I dem a burn me. No, like I dem a burn me. So last night we got run away. We never reached home until 3:30. We're supposed to get up at 7. So we could have reached Disney at 10. It's 10 now. We just left the house to get gas to go to Disney. So we'll leave when we're supposed to reach. Runway was interesting. It was like 10 different parties in one. Meaning it was like I go on street dance, I go on ghetto real dance, I go Uber, I go on beach party, it was just there's just so many different kinds of people there. And I mean that in the nicest way possible. I mean, like, you know, some people dress like them and go club. Some people dress like them and go shop. Some people dress like them and go on dance. It did weird.
Hi.
Hey, VJ. Well, like this one, me that tell hey. I know my bun, I can't get over this. A long time I don't feel tired, so. A bad long time, I mean like last week.
She just can't keep up.
I can't keep up with you.
Real
VJ couldn't wake up neither. When the alarm go off, you never move.
I'm not tired now still. But
Okay.
you tired?
I'm tired, yes. And time me stay late, me tired. That's the only reaction my body give me. So we just paid to go in, and it's my first time here, so I got a badge, a pin,
A
pin.
badge. A badge.
I
She got a
wasn't.
badge.
I wouldn't have got a badge. I wasn't showing you my titties, of course, because I barely have any. I want to get some ears, like really quickly. We're gonna take the monorail over instead of the ferry, just because I think it might be cooler, and because Vijay said so.
I never said it.
There's a lot of poop out there. They don't pick it up.
I've never taken it, so I don't know.
It's frustrating. Pay a ton of money.
We finally made it inside. The park is full. Who would have thought? You hungry already?
No, I'm moving into the next section on my bag.
Are you lying?
They're getting crushed.
We can.
Better get ready. We don't want to be late for the celebration.
Oh, hang on a minute, Minnie. I've got a special surprise for you.
You do?
You see, I know there's someone you've always wanted to meet from the land of the Mystic Mountains.
Wow! You're not gonna believe this back home.
But
Look at all the people. Hello, people.
So we've been here, walking around. The wait time for all the rides is like 100 minutes, 30 minutes, blah blah blah. I'm not waiting on no line, son.
That one is 30.
No way, Jose. 30 minutes, that's too long. What kind of ride is that? Is it good?
I don't know. I don't think.
Enchanted Tales. I don't think it's good. It looks like a penny ride. I want to go on that.
You just have to wait 100 minutes.
And 100 minutes. Oh my god. The place is gorgeous though. So that's a plus. But right now all we're doing is walking around and sightseeing because
The best
the
thing.
park is too full.
Next time we bring Chantal comes here, we have to buy the whole Disney.
I agree. I mean,
Where's Lisa?
we'd never have enough money for that. Watcha.
I'm ready to go to bed.
I'm not lie.
I felt like I just went through a marathon. I'm tired.
This whole week's been a marathon.
We haven't even been on one ride as it. And
The
we're
lines
tired.
are too long. By the time I wait in one line, I go get Vicks. I go want go. I'm not gonna put that negativity into the atmosphere. I will not get Vicks. The lighting right now is making me look so good. You see that?
Me too. Well, in the 99 it was still.
Mickey Mouse. Magic Kingdom to come up with a system so this line business too long. Well, there is a system. Pay more money and don't join line.
What should I do? They should have give everybody. They should have give. Last time I came here, I stayed in the lines. I stayed in up to a 2-hour line for Space Mountain or something like that. And the ride lasts like 45 seconds. So
I'm not doing that. Sorry for eating and talking to you. If you've seen my mouth, I'm sorry. Not sorry. But yeah, I'm not staying on the line for an hour. There was this ride that we really wanted to go on. It was 100 minutes wait. Why? Why? Why going to stand up in a line for 100 minutes for 45 second satisfaction?
damn good 45 seconds satisfaction.
guys, I just want to point out that it's after 8, we've been on one ride and we've missed 2 shows. Bad. And I lost my card because I'm clearly a child.
She lost it twice.
Twice.
Back once.
Found it once. The second time was a no-go. But I want to show you guys the castle light up. The whole place light up actually. But not like the place nice, but too much people there.
Remember, we must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic in the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make a wish come true.